Welcome to TechAppo TV. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to show or hide desktop icons on Windows 11 and Windows 10. First step, right-click on an empty space. Move your cursor over View. Click on Show Desktop Icons to remove checkmark. All desktop icons will disappear. To show again, right-click on an empty space, select Overview, and click on Show Desktop Icons. All desktop icons will appear again. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in next video.